source of liquor being entered into the system. And we use manifolds, and we have different sizes of manifolds. There's a 2 and a 3, and these are placed on a metro wire shelf in such a way that it drains out the back, and these cups are all different. So it drains from front to rear, and if you're loading from the front, that allows you to exchange bottles quickly from the front. However, maybe every 2 weeks or so, those bottles should be rotated. And we have a valve on the top of each bottle that allows the bottle to be removed. So if I'm standing in the front and I bring this bottle out, as soon as it gets up, it shuts it off, and I can move that bottle up to the front even after I've filled these 2 with new bottles in order to do some rotation of the product. We found that our standard manifold used to be a 4-ball manifold, and now we've gone to a 3-ball manifold because we found that on a lot of brands 4 is too much, and it also allows us to use an 18-inch shelf. The shelving that we use right now is available at Costco, and the racks are 6 shelf, so we go 3 high. And if you buy 1 Costco rack and 4 poles, you have enough shelving to put together 2 small installations or 1 large one. So we're using that around the country to give us a NSF-approved shelf to go with our NSF-approved equipment. If a health department is demanding that equipment be built to NSF specifications, then we build our cups without this little adjusting screw in them. And we ship little half-inch pallets down at the bottom to hold the cup up at the right height. If they aren't requiring NSF, we use the screw because it's much more convenient. But there are just a couple things like that. One of them is this manifold adjusting capability. Once the manifold's adjusted for a certain bottle, and you put the same bottle in all the time, whether you do it with a pallet from underneath or whether you do it with adjusting, you don't have to do it again, because that same size bottle is going to go right back in there. So it's a one-time thing. So it isn't that inconvenient if they want NSF. And the reason they want that is they don't want any kind of a screw in the vicinity of the supplied liquor. Our equipment is the only NSF-approved equipment available on the market.